estimating crop yields, monitoring infrastructure and calculating solar panel potential. Just a few of the possibilities when you combine satellite data with ground data. A cluster of innovative Dutch companies have developed a range of services combining Earth observation with geo-information.
Nevasco is a group of Dutch remote sensing companies and who work together as an open, innovative consortium. So we use Earth observation technology and we use it together with all sorts of other open and big data information services to produce up-to-date and accurate information.
And these are services that could be extremely beneficial for a large country like Kazakhstan.
Well, Kazakhstan is a very vast country with a lot of infrastructure and cities and agriculture. So because of the vastness of the area, you need satellites to get your information to a level that you can really get it up to date and of a high quality and to improve your decision making. Well, we can help Kazakhstan to make use of satellite information to improve resource management in agriculture, to make cities healthier and of a better quality of life, and monitor infrastructure and take better decisions in general.
Let's take the example for healthier cities. By combining ground data and satellite images, you can calculate the potential for rooftop solar panels to boost the energy transition.
So we're looking at the satellite imagery of Almaty city center. We use this satellite imagery to derive the rooftop solar potential. If we click here, we can see the results for individual building, and these results would be used for financial decision making on the solar energy investment.
Agriculture is another area where satellite data can be of great help. Satellites such as the Sentinels from the European Space Agency are used to monitor changes in biomass. With complex algorithms, it is possible to predict yields and indicate areas where additional irrigation is needed.
Well, there's actually many different ways of using satellite data in agriculture. The nice thing about satellite data is that it offers an objective, long time series of whatever is going on the ground. For farmers specifically, I mean, it's very important, of course, to keep a very close eye on your fields, especially if you are a slightly bigger farmer, like the case in Kazakhstan, for example. You will not have the time on a daily basis to check on the crop that is in your field. So you would need some help, and remote sensing is actually exactly what that does. You look from the satellites and you can see which field needs attention and prioritize actions to mitigate, for example, a lower production or higher water stress. So it is very useful to be able to see that from the sky, basically.
Satellite data can also be used to monitor extreme weather events. It can help insurance companies to offer affordable crop insurance.
Well, for crop index insurance, we use a very long time series based on meteorological parameters from which we can decide if there's a risk of drought. And with that, farmers can be assured against that risk of drought.
Maybe the best example of large-scale infrastructure is oil and gas distribution. Monitoring pipelines from helicopters or from the ground is extremely inefficient. This is why one of the Nevasco partners developed a service to monitor critical infrastructure from space.
I have on the screen an example of that. In green you see a gas pipeline. In orange you see the markers that gives the locations where our service finds a change on the surface that may indicate a threat. A possible threat could be, for instance, building activities. Now I have an example here where you see two images, optical images in this case, from a satellite, one before the event, one after the event. And if you compare the two, and I have a slider here that makes that possible, you can see before the event that there is an empty field. After the event, you can see some building activities which could be a threat. Based on the information that we provide, this pipeline owner can go into immediate action and stop hazardous activities.
The possibilities of combined Earth observation with geo-information are infinite. Dutch companies united in the Nevasco consortium are on the forefront of innovation. Thanks to their unique cooperation, they are able to offer tailor-made and flexible solutions.
So as a group of companies, we cover a wide range of services, but we are unique in our cooperation between the companies, but also in the cooperation with the customer. And so we go the extra mile to ask the customer what he really expects from us.
Well, I think the companies that are together in Nevasco can offer many innovative solutions because we are backed by the Dutch government, who are actually actively stimulating innovation, which makes that the companies in Nevasco can offer the high-tech innovative solutions all over the world based on space technology.